Hi, Owen here for NewGrind. What we're going to do today is show you our quick belt change technology. And Brandon's got a 3/4 inch socket there, and he's going to show you just how quick and easy it is to expose the belt and get it ready to change. There we go. The spider coupler releases the motor, and there's the drivetrain belt. So he's got to loosen off and remove both idlers. There you go. So you can see the belt can only really go in one way. So now he's going to thread the new belt in. This can be done right on the floor where you're working at your job site, or you could take it outside and go work on the tailgate of your truck, or on a workbench or a big toolbox or something like that if you need it to be up off the ground. The idlers are eccentric, so the bottom hole is offset. He's going to use that to set the tension on the belt. There we go. And he's going to make sure that the flange on the idler sits evenly in this arc right here on the first one. So he can just turn it by hand until he finds the hole. Then he'll make sure it's in the right position and tighten it with the impact. So when the idler is in the right position, the belt will be at the correct tension. So you'll notice that both idlers are very close to sitting perfectly in that little concave there on the drivetrain. You can see he's got nice clearance, he's got good tension. Doesn't have to be as tight as a guitar string, but he's ready to go. So now we also want to make sure that when we go to drop the machine back on, that the spider coupler can drop correctly onto the little bottom coupler there. Line it up. There you go. He's going to thread all the screws in by hand, just so to make sure nothing gets cross-threaded. And the bottom two. And we're done. Ready to start grinding.